Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to create and verify an Epic Games account in just a few simple steps. First, open your web browser and go to the Epic Games website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In option at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed to the next step. If you don't already have an account, select the Sign Up option to create a new one. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, create a password, and choose a username for your account. Make sure to use a strong and unique password to keep your account secure. Once you've filled in all the required information, click on Sign Up to create your account. After creating your account, you'll receive a verification email from Epic Games. Go to your email inbox, open the email from Epic Games, and click on the verification link provided. This step is crucial to verify your account and gain access to all Epic Games features, so make sure to complete the verification process. Once your account is verified, you can now sign in to your Epic Games account using the email address and password you provided during the sign-up process. Congratulations! You've successfully created and verified your Epic Games account. Now you can start exploring and enjoying all the games and features Epic Games has to offer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.